What if the real problem isn't that we don't get enough rain, but that we lose it too fast? In some of the driest places on Earth, people solved that problem thousands of years ago. Not by bringing in more water, but by changing how water touches the land. No pipes, no pumps, no irrigation timer. Just dirt, shaped with intent. And the strange part is this. The method looks almost too simple to matter. A small curve in the ground, a low ridge of soil, a basin shaped like a half moon. But in dry country, that shape can decide whether rain disappears in minutes or stays long enough to grow food. Picture a hard landscape after a rare rain. The clouds finally open, and almost nothing good happens. Instead of soaking in, the water runs off. It strips soil away and leaves the land drier again. So the real problem was not always too little rain. Often it was rain that arrived too fast and left too fast. Traditional farmers in African drylands built simple earthworks to solve exactly that. Shallow basins, curved ridges, repeated across the land. They didn't chase water across the landscape. They slowed it down exactly where plants needed it. And once runoff slows down, everything changes. Water settles, sediment drops. The soil gets a chance to drink. What looks like a simple scoop in the ground is really a way of giving rain more time. 10 more seconds, 30 more seconds. One place where water cannot escape immediately. That alone can create a huge difference between a dry surface and moisture stored below ground. And this is the part many people miss. These systems do not create water. They change water behavior. That is why the method is not primitive at all. It is hydrology without plastic, physics without a pump. The basin catches runoff. The ridge slows escape. The soil gets more time to absorb. And when moisture goes deeper, roots do what roots always wanted to do. Follow it. That is why this matters beyond farming. It is really a story about design. Most people think water problems are solved by bringing in more water. Old dryland systems asked a better question. How do we lose less? So, how would you use this now? Start smaller. Watch your slope. Watch where the water runs. Instead of leaving the ground flat, shape it. Create small basins. Use curved ridges. Plant where moisture will collect. Add mulch or organic matter, and the effect gets even stronger. Now you are not only catching water, you are helping the ground keep it. So the hidden secret was never about getting more water. It was about not losing it and shaping the land so rain finally has a chance to stay.